In today's video, I'll teach you how to find McDonald's Japan discount code. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. At bottom, you'll be able to find various options like home, coupons, rewards, delivery and order. What you have to do is tap on this option coupons that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the coupons interface. Over here what you have to do is simply search for the restaurant. What you have to do is tap on the search bar. Now you can simply search for the restaurant of your choice, or you'll also be able to see the map over here. You'll be able to see the location of McDonald's restaurant. You can simply tap on any one of them. Now after you do that, you'll be able to find this option for see restaurant info. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the restaurant info interface. You'll be able to find various informations over here. If you look at bottom, you'll be able to find two options: see coupons, mobile order. Tap on this option see coupons that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to another interface. You can see over here, you'll be able to see all bunch of coupon codes available for that restaurant over here. Also at top, you'll be able to find various options like breakfast, lunch, dinner, happy meal, etc. You can tap on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to see the coupons related with that particular option. You'll also be able to see the amount of discount that you're getting. Also you'll be able to see the expiry date and time over here. Over here you'll be able to find this option for mobile order at the store. You can tap on any of them in order to enjoy the coupon discount. So like this you'll be able to get the discount codes. So that is how you find McDonald's Japan discount code. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.